Close your eyes tonight and step into a world where anything is possible. You're flying over mountains, meeting people you've never seen, or reliving a childhood memory. This nightly theater is called dreaming, and it has fascinated humans for thousands of years. But why do we dream? What purpose does it serve? And what does science really know about it? Today, we'll dive deep into the science of sleep in dreams, exploring theories, fun facts, and practical tips for better rest. Let's start with the basics. Sleep is not a single state. It's a cycle with multiple stages. We move through light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep, short for rapid eye movement. Most vivid dreams happen during REM sleep, when your brain is surprisingly active, almost as if you're awake, while your body is largely paralyzed to prevent you from acting out your dreams. This stage repeats several times a night, and each REM period gets longer as the night goes on. So why does the brain create these vivid, often bizarre stories? Scientists have proposed several theories. The first is the memory consolidation theory. During the day, your brain collects an enormous amount of information. At night, it needs to decide what to keep and what to discard. Dreams may be part of this process, replaying and reorganizing experiences to strengthen important connections and prune the rest. Think of it as your brain's filing system, sorting through the day's data. Another theory focuses on emotions. Life is full of stress, joy, fear, and hope. Dreams might act as an emotional sandbox, a safe space where your brain can process intense feelings without real-world consequences. For example, if you're anxious about a big presentation, you might dream about being unprepared or lost. It's your brain rehearsing and regulating emotions. A third idea is creativity. Dreams mix memories and ideas in unusual ways, creating combinations that would never occur in waking life. Many artists, writers, and scientists credit dreams for breakthroughs, from Paul McCartney's Melody for Yesterday to the invention of the sewing machine. When the logical parts of the brain take a back seat, imagination runs wild. But why are dreams so strange? The answer lies in brain activity. During REM sleep, the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for logic and decision-making, slows down. Meanwhile, areas linked to emotion and imagery stay highly active. It's like the director left the set and the special effects team took over. That's why dream plots often lack structure, but overflow with vivid scenes and feelings. Can we control dreams? Sometimes. This phenomenon is called lucid dreaming, when you realize you're dreaming and can even steer the story. Techniques like keeping a dream journal, performing reality checks during the day, and maintaining consistent sleep can increase your chances of lucid dreams. Some people use lucid dreaming for creativity, problem solving, or simply for fun. Do all people dream? Yes, though recall varies. Most of us forget dreams within minutes of waking, unless we write them down. That's why dream journals are popular among researchers and enthusiasts. They capture fleeting details before they vanish. Now let's bust a common myth. Dreams are not random nonsense. Brain scans show that dreaming involves networks linked to memory, emotion, and sensory processing. In other words, dreams reflect real brain work, even if the stories feel surreal. Here's a fun fact: animals dream too. If you've seen a dog twitching or making noises in its sleep, chances are it's dreaming. Studies on rats show that their brains replay maze patterns during sleep, suggesting memory processing happens across species. So what is the ultimate purpose of dreams? The honest answer? Science is still figuring it out. Most likely, dreams serve multiple roles: memory, emotion, creativity, all woven together in the nightly theater of the mind. Now let's talk about sleep hygiene, because good sleep equals better dreams. Keep a regular schedule, reduce screen time before bed, and make your room cool and dark. Avoid heavy meals and caffeine late in the day. These habits improve sleep quality and, by extension, your dream experience. Before we wrap up, here are 3 quick dream facts you can share. 1. Most dreams last only 5 to 20 minutes, even if they feel much longer. 2. Blind people dream too, often with heightened sounds and touch. 3. Recurring dreams often signal unresolved emotions or stress. Dreams remain one of the brain's greatest mysteries, blending science and wonder. They remind us that even when we rest, our minds are busy creating worlds of their own. So tonight, when you close your eyes, remember, you're about to enter the most creative stage of your day. If this helped you understand your dreaming brain, hit like and subscribe for more clear science explained simply. And share in the comments, what's the strangest dream you've ever had?